we wanted to explain something that you should know about, because if you don't know the difference between an ACV policy and your standard insurance policy, well, there's a big difference, and we're here to clarify that for you today.
An ACV policy versus an RCV policy. With an ACV policy, the insurance company is basically going to pay for the year's remaining lifespan of the roof, minus your deductible. And with an RCV policy, they're going to pay for a full roof replacement cost, minus your deductible. Bay Springs Baptist Church gave us a call. We come out, looked at their roof. They did end up going through with a claim through their insurance company. Come to find out, they had an ACV policy. So today I wanted to explain what an ACV policy is to you homeowners to help you understand the insurance process. An ACV policy stands for an actual cash value policy. If you have a 25-year 3-tab shingle on your roof, the roof is 10 years old, that means that you got 15 years left on that. So that would equal out to about 60% of the value of your roof left on there. So for instance, if we're talking about a $10,000 roof, you're going to end up getting about $6,000 there minus your deductible. All right guys, so if you do have an ACV policy, now would be a great time to check to see if you're eligible for an RCV upgrade policy. We have seen instances where homeowners have an ACV policy and they're not able to upgrade because of the age of their roof. If that's your case, give us a call. We do offer great financing rates and we have great cash estimates as well. So if you're a homeowner in the Sandersville, Milledgeville, Statesboro, or Augusta, Georgia area, feel free to reach out to Frazier Roofing at 478-377-ROOF with any questions or concerns that we can help you with.